ISO 29993 2017 Consultancy Documentation and Awareness Training. Good day everyone. Hello and welcome. In this session we will discuss ISO 29993 2017 Learning Services outside formal education and how organizations can implement quality learning services aligned with international standards. This video is brought to you by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, a trusted consultancy providing documentation, training, and end-to-end support for organizations aiming to achieve global credibility in learning services. Whether you are a training provider, corporate learning institute, or educational service organization, this session will guide you in creating a robust, audit-ready system while enhancing learner satisfaction and operational efficiency. Introduction to ISO 29993. ISO 29993 2017 sets requirements for learning services delivered outside formal education, including corporate training, vocational training, professional development programs, continuing education. The standard emphasizes learner focused service delivery, consistent high quality learning experiences, continuous improvement and feedback mechanisms. By aligning your organization with ISO 29993, you demonstrate credibility, transparency, and operational excellence to learners and stakeholders alike. ISO 29993 applies to corporate training providers, professional development organizations, vocational and skill-based training centers, e-learning and blended learning providers, NGOs and community learning services. It is relevant for any organization that delivers structured learning services outside formal academic frameworks and wants to standardize quality while gaining international recognition. Scope of URGS consultancy. URGS International provides a full spectrum consultancy solution including first documentation and system setup, second implementation support, third awareness and training programs, fourth audit readiness and certification support. Documentation development. Documentation is critical for ISO compliance and operational efficiency. First, quality manual defines scope of learning services, organizational structure, roles and responsibilities, ISO 29993 alignment. Second, standard operating procedures, SOPs, learner registration and enrollment, training delivery and assessment, trainer competency evaluation, feedback collection and action. Then third is process mapping, visual process flows for course design, delivery, evaluation and improvement. Fourth, service quality framework, key performance indicators, KPIs for learner satisfaction, monitoring and corrective actions, continuous improvement loops. Then next is operational implementation. Implementation converts documentation into practical operational excellence. First is standardized training delivery, structured course content and methodology, lesson planning and scheduling, assessment and evaluation protocols. The second is staff competence and trainer framework, role based competency matrices, continuous professional development for trainers, performance evaluation and mentoring. Then third is learner centric service delivery, personalization of learning pathways, learner engagement and support, feedback driven improvement. Fourth is risk management and compliance, identification of operational risks, mitigation strategies, monitoring compliance with ISO 29993. Then awareness and training programs. Awareness and training ensures effective adoption and internalization of the standard. Management awareness, ISO 29993 principles and clauses. Strategic alignment of learning services. Leadership's role in service quality. Operational training for staff and trainers, implementation of SOPs, learner management and engagement techniques, assessment and evaluation methods, continuous learning culture, refresher programs, knowledge sharing, benchmarking and best practices, audit and certification readiness, ISO 29993 certification requires structured preparation, gap analysis, clause by clause evaluation of current systems, identification of non-conformities, internal audit and pre-assessment, department-wise compliance verification, mock audits to simulate external audits, corrective actions and controls improvement, root cause analysis, action plan implementation, documentation and monitoring, external audit support, assistance during certification audits, documentation presentation and compliance verification, technical guidance and clarification, checklists and tools. URGS International provides practical, ready to use tools, clause wise compliance checklists, internal audits formats, learner satisfaction survey templates, trainer evaluation and feedback forms. These tools make implementation and monitoring easy, systematic, and audit ready. Key deliverables. By partnering with URGS International, your organization receives ISO 29993 2017 compliant quality manual, complete SOPs and documentation toolkit, audit ready learning service system, implementation guidance and training support. Business benefits. Let us see this. See, implementing ISO 29993 through URGS International ensures enhanced learner satisfaction and engagement, standardized professional training delivery, increased credibility and international recognition, operational efficiency and controls improvement. Why URGS International? URGS International provides industry-focused ISO consultancy, practical audit-ready implementation guidance, end-to-end support from documentation to certification, expertise in learning services and compliance systems. If your organization is ready to implement ISO 29993 2017 and elevate your learning services, URGS International is here to support your journey toward quality, credibility, and operational excellence. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Mobile number is +917359458455. Please contact us for implementation of the standard and training and certification support also. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for further consultancy contents. Thank you.